𝗟𝗶𝘃𝘀𝘁 Butterflies organized Women's Empowerment Entertainment Dinner and Dance on Friday, 25th of April, 2025 at 6 p.m. till late night. This event was sponsored by Accident Injury Helpline Specialist in Personal Injury and Compensation. The best dress won the prize, and this event was held in 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝘀𝘁 restaurant, which is on 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝘀𝘁, London. Women from diverse community attended this event and extremely enjoyed the food and entertainment. Such successful events should be held in strengthen and celebrate women all around the world. Congratulations to Almara, who put a lot of effort, and Jia Khan and Fahima for their efforts to help to make this event successful.
वालेकुम। बड़ा अच्छा इवेंट जा रहा है। वेल डन अलमारा, पहले की तरह उससे पहले से भी अच्छा इवेंट किया है, तो जबरदस्त बटरफ्लाई जबरदस्त इवेंट।